Yeah, I guess Alberta can get some snowstorms, but then again, we can too. That happened yesterday. Here, have a look. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a bit of that Alberta weather here today. The door is getting plugged up. This was all clear a couple hours ago, but there was a big windstorm last night. The wind came out to 100 kilometers an hour last evening. That's out the backside. Yeah, there we are. Out the front side. It's a bit of a blustery day. All of a sudden. I heard the snowplow going up the road here a bit ago. And the flag is just whipping back and forth out there. I almost think that it's going to knock down the flagpole here one of these times. Yeah, all of a sudden the weather has turned a little bit blustery around here. And the cameras on the house are all packed up with snow. Everything's all packed up with snow. Went from clear yesterday to blustery today. Oh well, I'll get the tractor out later and fix things up. Yeah, this is supposed to be snow flurries. I guess it's blizzard flurries, it looks like to me. Snowing pretty good for snow flurries. Doggies like the snow sometimes. Yeah, out to check the mail. I didn't think they'd come today, and they haven't, or there isn't any mail. But it's sure is a blustery day around here. That's the old Holland Cove monument over there. Getting a drift out in front of it. There's a trail into our place. And a couple of dogs as usual. Yeah, the windows are all frosted up from the outside and the door is all frosted up from the outside. It's a blustery day out. Everywhere you look. I don't know if that the flagpole's made it so far, so I guess it'll make it the rest of the day. There, I guess the storm is over. Lots of snow. Have to get the tractor out now. Got a couple of trees. One of them's down on the ground there. Came down in the storm, but there's a bunch of 3 or 4 leaners there that got pushed out from the storm, and the wind blew open the engine compartment on the motorhome. How do you like that? Well, I guess I'm lucky that that log didn't hit something more important, like where the boat is in there. Yeah, pretty clear today. And doggies like the snow. Maybe they'll do a bunch of rolling in it and get themselves cleaned up. And our flag. The happy Christmas flag made it. There are no trees down anywhere else that I saw yesterday. I'll check it out again today. Nice clear day, you can see right across the bay. Yeah, and yesterday the snow was just a blustering through there, going past in the field across the road there, across from the mailbox. And the mailbox was blown open and everything. Looks good. The snowplow didn't get the mailbox. That's a good sign. Yeah, the trail down to the beach is getting to be quite pretty. No damage in here in the pine trees. They can take a lot of wind. I guess we got enough rain that it filled up the old frog pond, because there's a stream going out there to release it in the ocean. and it's all flooded up by my bridge that I built. Haven't seen water here since last spring. And the trail up there is pretty snowed in, but very pretty down close to the beach. Yeah, we're sheltered. The snow just settled in the trees. And lots of that. That's up into the birch forest there.